Hello everyone, today is my weekend. I am happy to be here to share with you some experience to study English. Why I'm doing that? Because one day when I was learning to prepare for my CPA exam, I broke. When I broke a few minutes to relax and think about something in my life, I thought what I really want to do. If I did not the exam, what I am doing now. Maybe I am learning English to improve my skill or doing nothing. And then I came back to study for my exam. A few days later, I met my friend who I call my teacher Sita. After talking to her, I knew what I really want to do. When I have finished my exam, I am serious to think about my life, think about what I really want to do. I realized I must improve my English, and I also want to share my experience to study English for everyone, because I want everyone can speak English. I would like to share with you. I have two simple regular to study English. The first, I believe in myself. I think I can do it. And I want to share with you that you believe in yourself. You can do it. The second, I find the way to speak English that I speak English to everyone. I talk to everyone by English to understand me, and I can understand them. Understand you and you understand them. Okay? I know it's difficult to do because at the beginning, I'm also like you. I share with you my story. At the first time, when I went to English club with my friend, my teacher, I just kept silent. Did not speak anything. Just listen. Everyone speak English around me. Oh, actually, because I did not I didn't listen anything. I didn't hear anything. No, excuse me, because I study English no grammar. So when I go to English club, I just listen and keep silent because at that time I did not understand them. So I can't speak anything. I just look at them, listen, and look at me. I keep silent. When I came back my home, I look at myself in the mirror. I felt ashamed myself. I felt bad. I felt small. And then I thought to me that I have to study English right now. And then I study English every day, every time, everywhere, in the morning and in the evening, after working, and I have a plan to go to English club at least one time a week, at least one time a week. You know, I know going to English club is not the best way to study or to improve English, but you get true benefits when you go to English club. The first, you have environment to practice English, and the second, you get motivation to study English and to improve English, because when you go to English club, you met a lot of young people can speak English fluently. Even they can speak English as natural speaker. And now I am stay my habit to go to English club at least one time per month. And when you go to English club, you can practice speaking English. You can practice speaking and listening and English reaction. You know, as you know, if you search English on the Google, on the internet, you can see a lot of methods to speak English, to learning English, but you don't know choose the way for you. I know, because I was also like you. If you want to know my way to study English, you can follow my Facebook. I will share with you my method to study English about learning, reading, speaking. And now I must to eat something and come back my hometown in the afternoon. Have a nice weekend. Goodbye.